Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kinho nila kai jong ka Dapboklang Giri Secondary School ha ka under 17 ki khana shanrang kalayo ban ra ka nam Lahduh ha Kalimpong nila kai district level Subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament 8000 apun rio ya ka balapan long da ka office jong ka district sports officer West Khasi Hills district nangta ha ki under 17 ki khana kan theipat ka lum mangkara SS Risiang kalayo ban khoria ka nam Lahduh kat baha ke under 15 ki khana shanrang ka Kershai LP bat ka UP school kalayo banra ya kani ka nam menta usnem jong kani Kalimpong kai haba phai shagani Kalimpong kai menta usnem ka nam job jong ka Dapboklang Giri Secondary School ha ki under 17 ki khana shanrang kalawan hadin baklala ban penlim no dalai gol lashi ya ka Sip Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School ha ka jingele kai final persha ka balalong ha ka sngi tho dieng ka tayo hamadan new nongston katba ya ka nam tam jong ka lum mangkara ha ki under 17 ki khana kan theipat ka deiling ba ka jingla jong ka ban penlim no da ar gol la ka wei lingba ka tie breaker hadien ka jinga khat khlam dadan manu ba yo ban thap gol ha ka jingele kai final ha ka ni ka ju ka sngi ha ka ni ka sngi ka deputy commissioner ka West Khasi Hills ka Hima nayak IAS ha ka jinga dan langru u AJ Sangma MPS u deputy superintendent of police ka headquarter ka West Khasi Hills district ka district sports officer ka West Khasi Hills ka kong ballerinas im bat kiwe de kila samru ya ki khusnam
today we will be doing the prize distribution and the teams will be heading for the state level tournaments and then national level and I hope they train well and also we would like to see you as the winners in the national level and when it comes to football I don't have to say much because I must be the last person to talk anything about football standing here in Nongstoin. And with this World Cup going on, I think all of you must be following all the games. And football here in Meghalaya, it's not just sports or a game. It is part of everybody's lifestyle and lives, and also something that brings all the communities and all the villages together. And today here, I'm very happy to see the participation not just from Nongstoin, but from all the blocks like Shalang, Moshinrut, Rimulyan, Ramrai and all the other parts of the district. It gives us immense motivation in the district administration and sports department to continue in supporting in all the endeavors from all our young students. And also I thank all the principals and teachers, sports teachers from all the schools for bringing the teams here. And this time we had seen huge participation from all the parts of the district. I will not